Hello there, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Out YouTube channel, and I am back today with a card a day in July video. I announced this series the other day, and in that video, I also let you know how you could play along with me. I will link that video below, as well as the Card a Day in July playlist. My goal this month is to try to get crafty every day and share it here with you on YouTube. I would really love to get out some of the products that I have never used or the products that I used to love and have had in storage for a while. Once I start my card process, I will start doing a voiceover. If you have any questions that I don't answer in the voiceover, make sure to leave those in the comment section below. You're probably not the only one with the question. For today's card, which is my 7th in the series, I will be creating a floating frame card. And what this means is the background is one solid image, but I have die cut an inner frame from that and lifted it up off the card for some more dimension. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, I always appreciate a thumbs up. And if this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of the video you'll be inspired to hit that subscribe button. To my regular viewers and subscribers, thanks so much for stopping back by. Here we go. Here's a look at the supplies that I'll be using today. I will be stamping and heat embossing with Versamark and a gold embossing powder. To get the static and oils off my vellum, I will use my embossing buddy on that. For my sentiment, I will be using this stamp and die set from Richard Garay, and then also for die cutting, I will be using my Hero Arts Infinity dies set, and this thing is worth every penny. For the front of my card, I am using a scrap of pattern paper. To start out, I will be cutting my card base and the pattern paper for the front of the card. Since the pattern paper does fill the entire card front, I cut this down to 5.5 by 4 1/4. I will be die cutting an inner frame from the card front, and the dies that I chose will allow me to have room for adhesive both on the outside of the piece and for the frame itself. I use this Scotch removable tape to hold my dies in place a lot. You can reuse it, and it comes off very easily from the paper. Once I had everything die cut, it was time to start putting my card together. The very outer ring, I adhered that straight down onto my card base, and then I also adhered the middle section flat down. And you'll notice that I insert the frame so I can get that inner piece put exactly where it needs to be. For my sentiment, I'm going to be stamping this onto vellum and then die cutting it with the coordinating die. Originally, I was going to use the Pirate Gold embossing powder because it was kind of darker, but I changed to a more glossy or bright gold in the end. I put out a call the other day, but just in case you didn't see that video, if you know of any other stamped sentiment sets that are like this with the coordinating die, please let me know in the comment section below. I just really like how it leaves that extra border around each letter. Once that was all die cut, I put some glue dots behind where the stamp was and then adhered that to the center of my card. For my floating frame, I pulled out my big roll of foam tape. I love this stuff. It is linked in the description box below. Once I had the adhesive on there, I did just pull one of the liner papers. This way I could get that in there just right. Instead of having to pull up 4 sides if I would have went wrong, I would have just had to pull up 1. And here is a look at my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and until my next one, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope that you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above, and if you're interested in any of the products or tools that I use in the video, I do have some links in the description box.